Did you know that your diet might be the secret weapon to overcoming erectile dysfunction? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine if a few simple changes to what you eat could radically transform your love life. In today's video, we're uncovering 6 nitric oxide superfoods that can help you crush erectile dysfunction once and for all. Struggling with ED is more common than you might think, but there's a solution that's both natural and delicious. Curious to find out more? Let's dive in. Erectile dysfunction (ED) is a common condition affecting millions of men worldwide. It is characterized by the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for satisfactory sexual performance. While there are many causes of ED, ranging from psychological factors to physiological issues, one of the key physiological contributors is poor blood flow to the penis. Nitric oxide (NO) plays a crucial role in regulating blood flow by relaxing blood vessels and allowing for better circulation. Therefore, increasing the body's production of nitric oxide can be a natural and effective way to combat ED. 1. Beets. Beets, with their vibrant color and earthy flavor, are more than just a salad addition. They are a powerful superfood known for their rich nutrient profile, particularly their high nitrate content. Nitrates, when consumed, convert into nitric oxide in the body, which plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health and can significantly impact erectile function. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow. This improved circulation is essential for achieving and maintaining erections, as the penis relies on robust blood flow to become erect. Studies have shown that men with erectile dysfunction (ED) often have lower levels of nitric oxide, leading to poor blood flow and difficulty in achieving erections. Consuming beets can help mitigate this issue. Drinking beet juice or incorporating roasted beets into your diet can enhance nitric oxide production, leading to better blood flow. This natural increase in blood flow can help men overcome erectile dysfunction, making beets a powerful ally in the fight against ED. Furthermore, beets are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like vitamin C, folate, and potassium. These nutrients contribute to overall health, which indirectly supports sexual health. For instance, folate is crucial for reducing homocysteine levels in the blood, which, if elevated, can impair blood flow and contribute to ED. Beets also contain betaine, a compound that helps detoxify the liver and supports cardiovascular health. A healthy liver can produce more nitric oxide, enhancing blood flow and further supporting erectile function. 2. Spinach. Spinach is another superfood that packs a punch when it comes to combating erectile dysfunction. This leafy green is not only low in calories, but also high in essential nutrients that promote nitric oxide production and overall health. One of the standout nutrients in spinach is folate, a type of B vitamin that is critical for blood flow. Adequate levels of folate help reduce homocysteine in the blood, a compound that can damage blood vessels and restrict blood flow. By reducing homocysteine levels, folate helps maintain healthy blood vessels, which is crucial for erectile function. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in the production of nitric oxide. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body, including to the penis. Improved blood flow can lead to stronger and longer-lasting erections, helping to alleviate symptoms of erectile dysfunction. In addition to folate and magnesium, spinach contains a host of other nutrients, including iron, calcium, potassium, and vitamins A and C. These nutrients support overall health, ensuring that the body functions optimally. A well-nourished body is better equipped to produce nitric oxide and maintain healthy blood vessels, both of which are crucial for sexual health. 3. Garlic. Garlic is renowned for its pungent flavor and numerous health benefits, making it a potent superfood for improving erectile function. Like beets and spinach, Garlic is rich in compounds that promote nitric oxide production and enhance blood flow. One of the primary active compounds in garlic is allicin, which is known for its cardiovascular benefits. Allicin helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which is essential for achieving and maintaining erections. By enhancing circulation, garlic can help alleviate erectile dysfunction and support overall sexual health. Garlic also has potent antioxidant properties, which protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress can impair nitric oxide production and reduce blood flow, contributing to erectile dysfunction. By combating oxidative stress, garlic helps maintain healthy blood vessels and supports nitric oxide production. Additionally, garlic has been shown to improve cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure, both of which are important for cardiovascular health. Since erectile dysfunction is often linked to cardiovascular issues, improving heart health can have a direct positive impact on erectile function. 4. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a remarkable fruit often celebrated for its health benefits, particularly in enhancing cardiovascular health and improving erectile function. This superfood is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins C, K, and several B vitamins, as well as folate, potassium, and fiber. What makes pomegranate particularly potent in combating erectile dysfunction is its high concentration of antioxidants, specifically polyphenols and flavonoids. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can impair blood flow and contribute to erectile dysfunction. One of the key mechanisms by which pomegranate can improve erectile function is through the production of nitric oxide, NO. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps relax blood vessels, thereby enhancing blood flow throughout the body, including the genital area. Studies have demonstrated that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can significantly improve symptoms of erectile dysfunction. For instance, a clinical trial involving men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction found that those who consumed pomegranate juice daily experienced improvements in their erectile function compared to those who did not. The beneficial effects of pomegranate on erectile health are believed to stem from its ability to protect nitric oxide from oxidative damage, thereby prolonging its action and enhancing vasodilation. Moreover, pomegranate's anti-inflammatory properties can also contribute to better sexual health. 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties with high cocoa content of 70% or more, is not only a delicious treat but also a powerful superfood for improving erectile function. The primary reason dark chocolate is effective in this regard is its rich content of flavonoids, a group of plant compounds with potent antioxidant properties. Nitric oxide production is significantly influenced by the consumption of dark chocolate. Flavonoids in dark chocolate stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the endothelium, leading to vasodilation or the widening of blood vessels. This process is essential for achieving and maintaining erections, as it allows increased blood flow to the penile tissues. Studies have shown that individuals who consume dark chocolate regularly have higher levels of nitric oxide and better endothelial function compared to those who do not. In addition to boosting nitric oxide levels, dark chocolate also helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are often linked to erectile dysfunction. Chronic oxidative stress can damage blood vessels and impair their ability to produce nitric oxide. The antioxidants in dark chocolate neutralize free radicals, protecting the endothelium and ensuring a steady supply of nitric oxide. Another benefit of dark chocolate is its impact on stress and mood. Erectile dysfunction can sometimes be exacerbated by psychological factors such as anxiety and depression. Dark chocolate contains compounds like theobromine and phenylethylamine, which can enhance mood and reduce stress levels. By promoting relaxation and a positive mental state, dark chocolate can indirectly contribute to better sexual health. 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and tangerines, are well known for their refreshing flavors and high vitamin C content. However, their benefits extend beyond just providing a vitamin boost. They are also effective in improving erectile function by enhancing nitric oxide production. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is crucial for the synthesis of nitric oxide, making citrus fruits an excellent addition to a diet aimed at combating erectile dysfunction. The high vitamin C content in citrus fruits acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting nitric oxide molecules from oxidative damage. This preservation of nitric oxide is vital for maintaining healthy blood vessels and ensuring adequate blood flow to the genital area. Furthermore, vitamin C enhances the bioavailability of nitric oxide, meaning that more of this molecule is available to facilitate vasodilation and improve erectile function. In addition to vitamin C, citrus fruits are rich in flavonoids, particularly hesperidin and naringenin. These compounds further support cardiovascular health by improving endothelial function and reducing inflammation. A better endothelial function translates to more efficient nitric oxide production, which is essential for strong and sustained erections. Studies have shown that individuals who consume citrus fruits regularly have lower rates of erectile dysfunction and better overall vascular health. Citrus fruits also play a role in regulating blood pressure, another factor that can impact erectile function. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels and reduce their ability to produce nitric oxide. The potassium content in citrus fruits helps counteract the effects of sodium, promoting lower blood pressure and healthier blood vessels. By maintaining optimal blood pressure levels, citrus fruits contribute to better erectile health.